Imagine an emergency knocking at your door tomorrow, an unexpected health problem, your car breaking down, or even a job loss. Now imagine having the security of an emergency fund that protects you from any of these situations. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build an emergency fund in just 6 months with a simple and effective step-by-step guide. This video is for you, who are worried about financial emergencies and want to ensure your family's stability. If you've tried saving before but never managed to maintain an emergency fund, this guide is tailor-made for you. Why is this important for you? Because having an emergency fund is the difference between facing a crisis calmly or panicking. With this guide, you'll learn practical strategies to save, even if you find it difficult to save money today. In the end, you'll have the peace of mind you've always desired. Have you ever faced situations where an unexpected expense left you desperate? Have you had to resort to high-interest loans or max out your credit card? The lack of an emergency fund can leave you vulnerable, stressed, and without options in critical moments. And it's not just about money, it's about the security and peace of mind of knowing you are prepared for anything life throws your way. The anxiety of living without this security can affect your mental health and quality of life, harming not just you, but also your family. Now, let's solve this. We're going to build your emergency fund in 6 months with a clear and actionable plan. Here are the steps you should follow. Define your goal. Calculate your essential monthly expenses, such as rent, food, transportation, and bills. Your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of these expenses. Let's say your monthly expenses are $2,000. Then your goal will be to accumulate between $6,000 and $12,000. This might seem like a large number, but breaking it down into monthly targets makes it more manageable. For example, if your goal is $6,000, you will need to save $1,000 per month. Evaluate your current situation. See how much you already have saved. If you already have some savings, great. This will reduce the amount you need to save over the next 6 months. Maybe you have $1,000 saved, which means you need to save $5,000 over the next 6 months, or about $833 per month. This step is crucial to understand exactly where you are starting from. Create a realistic budget. Analyze your income and expenses. Find areas where you can cut costs. It might be a daily coffee, dining out, or subscriptions you don't use much. Redirect that money to your emergency fund. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your finances. Small savings like reducing a streaming subscription or bringing lunch from home instead of eating out can make a big difference. Automate your savings. Set up automatic monthly transfers to a separate account, preferably a high-yield savings account. This ensures you don't spend that money on other things. Automation helps maintain discipline by removing the temptation to spend the money on non-essentials. This account should be dedicated exclusively to your emergency fund. Increase your income. Consider freelance work, side jobs, or selling items you no longer use. Every extra dollar can accelerate the growth of your emergency fund. Platforms like Uber, Etsy, or even selling items on eBay can generate significant additional income. Think about your skills and how you can monetize them, whether it's writing, drawing, or offering consultancy. Review and adjust. Every month, review your progress, adjust your budget as needed, and celebrate small victories. This will keep you motivated to continue saving. If you notice that certain areas are spending more than anticipated, adjust your budget to compensate. Small celebrations help maintain your morale and motivation. Avoid debts. If possible, avoid taking on new debts during this period. Debts can hinder your progress and make it difficult to build your emergency fund. Try to pay in cash whenever possible and avoid using credit cards. High interest debts can quickly negate all the effort you've put into saving. Focus and discipline. Remember, building an emergency fund requires commitment, but the long-term benefits outweigh any temporary sacrifices. Keep your goal in mind and visualize the security and peace of mind you'll have when you reach your goal. Discipline is key to transforming your financial habits. According to a Harvard Business Review study, families with an emergency fund are significantly less likely to face financial stress and make impulsive decisions that could compromise their financial health. This guide is based on proven strategies that really work. Various personal finance experts like Dave Ramsey and Suze Orman also advocate the crucial importance of having an emergency fund. Now, imagine having access to a resource that teaches you even more techniques to achieve financial independence. Multiply your savings and invest safely. That's exactly what our exclusive material offers. In addition to building an emergency fund, you will learn how to create multiple streams of income and invest wisely. This material is not just any ebook. It was developed by finance experts and is packed with insights that will transform the way you handle your money. It is the natural next step for those who want not only to protect themselves, but also to thrive financially. It contains detailed strategies, case studies, and practical tips that you can implement immediately. But here's the catch. Time is of the essence. Every day without an emergency fund is a day at risk. Don't wait until the next emergency happens. Prepare now and live with the peace of mind knowing you're protected against any unforeseen events. With each passing day, you are closer to an unexpected event that could destabilize your finances. Act now to avoid this worry. So, don't waste any more time. Click the link in the description and access our exclusive ebook that will show you how to go beyond an emergency fund, achieving true financial freedom. Your security and peace of mind are just one click away. Do it for yourself and for your loved ones. Don't wait any longer. Start building the financial future you deserve today. Remember, building an emergency fund in 6 months is possible with the right strategies and a lot of discipline. You have the power to transform your financial life starting now. Believe in yourself and take the first step today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video, and good luck on your journey to financial freedom.